Hi guys, it's Sandy here and today I will be making and eating this carbonara.
Tony Montana?
Carbonara.
Raji Montana.
Carbonara.
Raji Bolala.
Flavored Samyang noodles. I just had to, okay? Don't judge me. If you want to see me eat these noodles, just skip over to the end. If you want to watch me make them, keep on watching. And this is the final product. I added some chicken rashes on here since carbonara usually has some bacon pieces, but I'm not the hugest fan of bacon. So I was like, okay, let me do my favorite thing, which is chicken rashes. I am addicted to this thing. I can just eat it on its own, straight like that. No lie, this smells so good. Let me eat one of these chicken rashes first. If you haven't eaten chicken rashes, you are not living. Okay, let's eat these noodles. It's still super hot. This is gonna be another Sandy Suffers video because this is hella spicy. Ugh. I was having such a good time with a corn flavored Samyang, jajangmyeon flavored Samyang, and now this carbonara flavor is just coming to murder me. Okay, but it's not as bad as like the 2 times spicy though. So like on the suffering scale, I'll probably suffer like a 3.5 out of 5. Oh, it's good with the chicken rashes. The chicken rashes are nice and salty. These noodles are really creamy. It's a burn. There goes my nose and eyes watering. I really thought I was starting to build up a tolerance for these noodles. Apparently not. Oh, that burns my taste buds. But I really like the cheese in here. That was a good touch. Instead of just sprinkling it on top, just cook it in the noodles. You know, when I eat these noodles on camera, this is the only meal I eat the entire day because my digestive system is just thrown off for the next 24 hours. Oh, it's physically very hard. Do you think that was all the chicken rashes I had? Wrong! I fried the whole packet so I can do top-ups. Man, I'm so full. Like, it's all fun and games eating these noodles off camera and your own leisure, but it's just stressful eating it on camera, man. By the way, if anyone is interested, I just finished watching a K-drama called Love Affairs in the Afternoon and I absolutely loved it. I think the way it portrayed the characters' real emotions was just amazing. I've also started watching that volleyball anime, this one, because it has so much hype on TikTok. And apparently it's really sad, and I don't know how a sports anime can be sad because I've never watched a sports anime before. Man, these noodles are just working against me, not with me. It's like they're broken into small pieces. Can you see this? It's so annoying. I definitely recommend these if you want that Samyang spicy kick, but you don't want to go all in for like 2 times spicy and completely ruin your digestive system, because I think this is very intermediate. It's like the middle of Samyang spiciness. I'd say like level 1 would be the Samyang corn flavor and level 5 would be the 2 times spicy fire ramen noodles. Oh, almost done. Oh, hallelujah, happy days, I'm finally done. My stomach is doing the thing, man. It's doing the thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!